Moscow has had further incoming drones over the city. Russian air defense so far has succeeded in shooting them down. The origin of the drones is unknown. However, air raid alarms do not sound, and there's no proof it comes from Ukraine. Beautiful Moscow. The rally of religious bullshit with all military flags. Soldiers of the 73rd Naval Special Operations Center ambushed a Russian patrol boat at the mouth of the Dnipro. The commander of the boat and the helmsman were killed. Some of the Russians fled. The boat, which had lost control, was finished off with a heavy machine gun.
Вийшли на розстояння, напевно, метрів 5-10, із крупнокаліберного пулемета розстріляли і знищили, як взяли. Така у нас весела пригода була.
The life of the occupiers in 18 seconds. Look at the difference here. Which soldiers would you think were part of the Second Army of the World? Looks like he's cosplaying as part of a World War II penal battalion. Pathetic.
Такі, як ми, маємо воювати. Українці. Українці. Ще круті українці. От. Воюємо високами. Замість того, щоб жити нормальним життям. Жалюгідним, просто жалюгідним.
Destruction of a Russian kamikaze drone, Lancet by small arms. The Russian Volunteer Corps published a video from their recent operations inside Russia. In a day, we managed to take full control of a territory larger in area than the whole of Bakhmut. So far, this is just a test of our strength, they commented.
Да, надо распаковать, что будет.
US and UK supplied L-119 105mm light gun in Ukrainian service. They say that these are satellites of Elon Musk flying over Ukraine. Doesn't it look like Santa's reindeer? Ukrainian artillery is targeting the houses where the enemy is entrenched in Bakhmut. First, they must withdraw their troops from Ukraine, said Ukrainian President Zelensky, as he named the precondition for any kind of negotiations with Russia.
Ми не готові навіть думати про це, поки він не виведе війська з України. Спочатку вони повинні вивести війська з України, а потім вже ми повинні думати над форматом, як далі з ними говорити, в якому форматі, з ким, хто повинен бути свідком, хто з ким в цілому можна говорити з цієї сторони, коли довіри ніякої немає. Тому перш за все, вони повинні вийти, щоб говорити про дипломатію, вийти з усіх наших незалежних територій.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.